this video, I have made a wall hanging which is super cute with using my old t-shirt that मैं उसे फेंकने वाली थी. So I thought why not make something that is useful and मेरा room का जो wall है वो भी decorate हो जाए. So I decided to make a wall hanging. I just decorated my wall and it is looking very nice. So let's see how I made the wall hanging and it is looking super cute. So let's get started without wasting any time. I hope you guys like this video, so give it a big fat thumbs up and Subscribe to the channel if you have not, and if you have subscribed to the channel so never miss out any new video on my channel. Press the bell icon, support my channel. I need your support to do these things, and I hope you are enjoying my DIY videos. So do let me in the comment section. I will read every comment. Meet you in the next video. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.